Hello, hello. Spoiler alert, if anybody hasn't got their subscription box yet and doesn't want to know what's in it, you might not want to watch this. I know it's late, but that seems to be the way my life goes anymore. My days are usually tied up, and nighttime is about the only time I can do anything anymore. But I did want to show you this box. This was the Rise of the Dragons. This was the October theme. Ignore my nails because I know I need to redo them. I haven't done them in weeks. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. But this is the little pamphlet. Different little ideals to do. Again, these are $30 a month, delivered right to your door. You can cancel anytime, skip any month, go back the next month. And of course, all of them comes with a prep pad and a file. And the sets, there was 4 full sets and 1 accent nail. Like I said, you get a month, you get enough to do your nails for the whole month. You can do them every week for a whole month. This is Dragon's Breath, which I might do this one tonight myself. I haven't decided, or I might mix them, I don't know. This one is Mother of Dragons. This one is Wings of Destiny. And then I might do this one instead. I'm liking that purple. We have Serpent Spell. Another cute one. And then an accent pack of Sacred Scales, which is the overlay you can put over another set, or you can wear it like that. And there's always a bonus item in there every month. Sometimes it's Color Street products, sometimes it's something else. Sometimes it's previews of Color Street products. This time it is some finger jewelry. They're definitely well worth the $30 a month. Also, if you would like to know how you can earn some free product, let me know. I can set you up with a shopping link. Maybe you can earn some free or discounted products. Just comment below or message me if you're interested in that. If you want more information on signing up for these boxes, this was Rise of the Dragons. Next month's theme is Garden of Time. I've never been disappointed in these at all. Hey, Emily. These, like I said, I've never been disappointed. They're well worth it. 30 bucks for a month of manis and a bonus item every time. Well, I hope you all have a good night. I'm going to get off here and actually do my nails because I've been neglecting them a little bit. And I will catch you all later. Blessings to all of you.